I want a blumpkin. I want a motherfucking blumpkin. I need a blumpkin. Just give me a blumpkin. I want a blumpkin. I want a motherfucking blumpkin. I need a blumpkin. Just give me a blumpkin.
Not recording.
Are you a complete idiot?
I mean, YouTube?
Or both.
What?
I'm gonna post on both.
Oh. What's your channel?
I'm gonna Airsoft.
Is it recording now?
He's still in there. Hit! Scared the shit out of me, man. Said you scared the shit out of me when you walked by there. Sorry, I didn't see your other hand. There he is. Not so close, guys. 10 feet. Coming through! Coming through! Argo!
Yep.
What color are we looking for?
I think pink.
2 pink?
Yeah.
Suicide Alley. First doorway on the right. Top of the door. Hold on. You get that gray sweatshirt, guy? Inside the hill.
Alright, well, we got one in Suicide Alley.
Red light. Fucking helmet doesn't get my fucking fan to vent. Shit. What team you on, buddy? Oh. Good call, good call. Coming out. Coming out.
Yo, man. Oh, bitch. What happened? Nice, I got someone.
Dude. What the fuck?
Need help?
I got it. Keep using it. I can't see this fucking fan. I mean, the helmet's not letting my fan breathe. Shit.
Oh yeah, supposedly we're also looking for...
What?
Supposedly we're looking for a white and yellow one too.
White, yellow, or pink?
I guess all three. He said, oh, you're non-armband, so you're looking for white and yellow.
That's because he doesn't know that we're with them. What color flags you guys looking for?
No, I just needed a couple.
I know, but I
That's all
forget.
I needed.
I think the pink one?
Pinks? Do we have any yet?
Well, the pink one's at their spawn.
We threw a thunder bee, but it kind of backfired because they were laying down such heavy fire.
Yeah, whose mag is that?
Mine. Leave it there. Leave it there.
That gun is so cool. Oh my god, you just thrown it right?
It's okay.
Game's over.
It's over?
Game's over.
Damn.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I was waiting.
Hey kids, how'd you like to learn a special new word today? Well great, here we go! B is the bowl I sit upon, L I love you a lot. You're underneath my balls and it's really freaking hot. M is the manly stench you get, and P is for poop as you flow. K, I'll wait to kiss you until tomorrow. Yes, brush your teeth and I'll kiss you tomorrow. I can't believe you do this with the N nasty stench in the bowl. But you are the queen of the plumpkin, and for you I'd sell my soul. Yes, you are the queen of the plumpkin, and for you I'd sell my soul. Give me a B! Give me an A!